Roasted garlicky murmura is one flavor you will remember for a lifetime. Hello friends, Ramneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. Today, let us make roasted garlicky murmura or puffed rice with garlic flavor. So for this recipe you will need curry leaves. I have used my homegrown curry leaves and crush a few cloves of garlic. The more the better. So I have taken 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. Now heat half tablespoon of mustard oil or sarson ka tel, and then when the oil heats up, it's time to saute the garlic cloves. Once garlic is sauteed, it's time to add peanuts. I have taken 1/4 cup of peanuts. Roast on medium heat. Next add curry leaves. Curry leaves also add aroma and flavor to the murmura, which makes a delicious, healthy, instant Indian snack. Next add salt, black pepper powder or red chili powder and turmeric powder go in. Mix well, and next let us add our murmura, 1 cup of murmura or puffed rice. That's it. Mix it really well and continue to cook on medium flame until the flavor of roasted garlic is infused in the puffed rice. It's so yum, that's a promise. The flavor of roasted garlic will shine through the murmura and you will fall in love with it. I'm sure about it. You can enjoy it as is or just mix it with a little amount of mixture और सेव और भुजिया एंड बस हो गया, तैयार हो गया आपका इंस्टेंट स्नैक रेडी. आई होप यू लाइक दिस रेसिपी. इफ़ यू डू, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड डोंट forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Take care, bye bye, see you soon.